If Chrome is suddenly showing a bad image error with code 0xc000012f, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This error usually means one of Chrome's required files or one of Windows' core system files is damaged or missing. The good news is that in most cases you can fix it without reinstalling your entire computer. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first fix is to reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages. A lot of 0xc000012f errors happen because a file like msvcp140.dll or another Visual C++ dependency is broken or missing. To fix that, open an alternative browser like Microsoft Edge, then go to the official Microsoft Visual C++ downloads page from Microsoft. Once you're there, download both versions of the installer, the vc_redis.x86 version and the vc_redis.x64 version. Even if you think your PC is only one type, it's still a good idea to install both because many apps and browser components rely on different architectures. After the downloads finish, open the first installer. If it gives you a repair option, choose repair. If it says install, go ahead and install it. Then do the same for the second installer. Let both packages complete fully before moving on. When both are finished, restart your computer. After the restart, try launching Chrome again and see if the error is gone. If Chrome still won't open, the next fix is to run DISM and SFs to repair Windows system files. Sometimes the error is not only with Chrome, but with corrupted Windows components that Chrome depends on. To do this, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because these tools need elevated permission to make repairs. Once the black command window opens, type or paste this command carefully: dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, and then press Enter. This tells Windows to scan its system image and replace damaged components by downloading clean versions from Microsoft's servers. Let the process run all the way to 100%. It may take a little while, so be patient and don't close the window early. After DISM finishes, type the next command, sfc/scanno, and press Enter. This runs the system file checker, which looks for corrupt protected Windows files and repairs them automatically. Again, wait until the scan completes. Once it's done, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. Then test Chrome again to see if it opens normally. If you still have the same bad image error, the next thing to check is whether a recent Windows update caused the problem. Sometimes a flawed update can conflict with Chrome or with Chromium-based browser files. To roll back a bad update, open Settings by pressing Windows+I, then go to Update and Security and open Windows Update. Scroll down and click Update History. From there, choose Uninstall Updates. You'll now see a list of recently installed updates. Look for the most recent quality update that was installed around the time the Chrome error started. Select it, then click Uninstall and follow the prompts. After the update is removed, restart your PC once again and check Chrome. If the error was caused by a bad update, this often fixes it right away. If Chrome still gives you the 0xc000012f bad image message, now before you finish, it's a good idea to test Chrome after each fix instead of trying everything at once. That way, you'll know exactly which step solved the problem. Most people fix this error with either the Visual C++ reinstall or the DISM and SFC repair, so start there first. And that's how to fix the Chrome.exe Bad Image 0xc000012f error step by step. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful Windows fixes, and share this video with anyone else who's dealing with the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.